Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the drawing environment. Open Solidworks and create a drawing linked to your part or assembly. Set the sheet size and scale, 1:2:1:1 or as required, and choose units so dimensions behave predictably. Once done, insert standard views via Model View, front, top, right, and any custom orientations. Make sure to pick the correct configuration and display style. This ensures projected views and section cuts will update correctly as you continue. With your primary view placed, add projected views to communicate geometry quickly. Drag from the parent view to create top, right, or isometric projections. For internal features, create a section view. Draw the cut line through critical geometry, flip direction if necessary, and choose full or partial cut so hidden details are clear. Use auxiliary and detail views for angled faces and small features. Also adjust display style and hidden line visibility to keep the drawing readable and now annotate. Apply smart dimensions, leader notes, center marks, and GD and T callouts so manufacturers understand tolerances. Use annotation views if you need different displays. Once complete, verify sheet scale and layer visibility, then export to PDF or DWG for release. If something goes wrong, views disappear or dimensions misplace, rebuild the drawing, reload external references, and confirm the drawing's configuration and units match the source model. This resolves most errors. Finally, save a versioned copy so you can revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.